To install the Xfinity Stream app on your Samsung Smart TV, first confirm your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and is a 2016 model or newer. Using your remote, press the Home button to open Smart Hub, then navigate to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Xfinity Stream, select the app from the results, and choose Install. The download usually takes just a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, the app will appear on your home screen for quick access. After installation, open the app and select Sign In. Enter your Xfinity username or email along with your password, then continue. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication for added security. If the app doesn't show up or fails to install, update your TV's firmware by going to Settings, then Support, and selecting Software Update. Restart the TV afterward and try again. Inside the app, you'll be able to browse live TV, on-demand content, and your DVR recordings using your remote. If you experience login problems, reset your password through the Xfinity website before attempting to sign in again.